there is no need for us to be scared of AI. AI is the future, and AI is here, and it's here to stay. So it's either you learn, you grow with AI, or you are left behind.
Step into the rhythm of a brand new mind. We have arrived. We are living a life. From the great to the boy, I was shining bright. Lumina light. Yeah, we take.
Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Becoming Z Lumina Life Empire, where we learn one lesson, one idea, one action at a time. You are welcome. This is your girl Z, or you can call me Zanele or Tandegile. Today, I want us to answer a very simple question. What is AI? What is artificial intelligence? A lot of people, when you start talking about AI or artificial intelligence, they think of something very difficult, very complicated, like complicated machines or robots. But I am here to break it down to you. AI is very simple than that. It's very simple in such a way that you are using AI every day and you're not even aware of it. When you go on Google and you want to type a word and immediately it suggests some other words that you can write, or it completes a sentence for you. That is AI for you. When you are watching Netflix and then it suggests a next movie that you need to be watching, that's AI for you. AI is something, it's a tool that we use each and every day without even realizing. So there is no need to be scared of AI or think of it as something that is very difficult. AI is here to help you with your everyday tasks. Everything that you need to be done in a day, you can always ask AI, and simple like that, it can actually help. Let us unpack different ways that you can use AI that are very simple. You can use AI to write emails. You can use AI to write a CV. You can use AI to write or to get a recipe. You can use AI to write homeworks with your children. AI is not actually here